It's Zayna's Playhouse!
Hello, friends. Look at our sea animal puzzle. Oh, no! Where did they go? They all swam away. Let's find them. Wait, what's that? Ew! It's slime. So sticky and gooey. Let's see what's inside this slimy blob. What could be hiding in here? Look, I see something pink. Oh, it's our jellyfish.
Wow!
She was stuck inside the slime. Jellyfish. There you go, jellyfish. Welcome back to your ocean puzzle. What's this? More puzzle pieces? Let's see which sea friend is hiding here. Maybe this red one goes here? Nope, that doesn't fit. Silly me. Let's try this red one instead. Oh no, still not right. What's going on? Let's try this green one. Click! Yay, it fits. Wow, it's a turtle. Hello, little turtle.
Oh.
Let's shake it a little bit. Wow, our turtle puzzle. Let's take it knack to the board. 2 sea friends found. Yay! Oh, only 2 puzzle pieces left. Let's see who this could be. It's a crab. Look at those big claws. Let's give him a shake. Ha ha ha, he's dancing. Wow, it turned into our crab puzzle. Welcome back, crabby friend. Now the crab is home too. We found jellyfish, turtle, and crab. Yay, team! Let's find these 2 animals. What is this puzzle? Let's find this one first. Got it. Back you go, Mr. Turtle. What's next? Let's find this animal. Let's see. Maybe this blue star fits? Nope, the star's too small. Aha! Found the whale piece. Wait, oopsies! That's not how whales swim. Let's fix it. Snap! Perfect fit. Whoa! Yay! It's a cute whale. Let's swim together. Whee! Oh, wow! It's our whale puzzle. Good job, whale. Back to your ocean you go. Awesome. Aha! The octopus spot is empty. Let's find her. Hehehe. Is this the octopus? Quack, quack. No, that's a duck. Here it is. The octopus piece. Let's put it back nicely. And it fits. Oh, wow, look, it's a pink squishy octopus. Let's give her a shake shake. That's our puzzle. Magic again. Back to your spot, octopus. Hooray!
Yay!
Whoa! What's this little button here? Should I press it? Let's see. Whoa! Bubbles! Look at all the bubbles, friends. So fun! Let's press this one too. Woo! Both sharks are blowing bubbles now. It's a bubble party. Wait a minute. What's that? Something shiny on the wall. It's dolphin! Ha 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 ha! It's covered in bubbles. Let's clean it up. There you are, all clean and shiny. Time to swim home. Maybe it goes here? Nope. Click! Yay! It fits! Good job, team. Wow! Look at all these ocean friends. Let's match them to their pictures. Ready? Let's find this ohm first. Which one looks like a star? Oh! The orange starfish. Twinkle, twinkle, little starfish. Go here. Now, who has a big sail on their back? Let's see. Aha! Sailfish! Zoom, zoom. Swim fast, sailfish. Who's this with big tusks and a round belly? Heh. It's the walrus.
Whoa!
Now this one looks like it's flying under the sea. Who could it be? Yes, manta ray.
Wow!
Swish, swish. Who's red and has big pinchers? Snip, snip, snip. It's the lobster. Pinch, pinch. Careful. And last, the mighty shark. Dun, 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 dun. Wait! It's our shark puzzle piece. That's amazing!
Aha!
Let's swim the shark puzzle to its board. Perfect match!
Woohoo!
You did it, shark. Let's find this animal next.
Let's go.
Ooh! Look at this colorful bowl. I wonder what's hiding inside. Let's see if our next sea animal puzzle piece is in here. A chicken? Ha 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 ha! That's not a sea animal. Chickens live on a farm.
Yes.
Let's keep looking. Oh, wow! A dinosaur? Dinosaurs don't live in the ocean either. Okay, no dinosaurs, no chickens. Let's try one more time.
Yay!
Aha! I found it. It's our seahorse puzzle piece. Look how cute it is. Let's take the seahorse to its home. There you go, little seahorse. Now it's time for our last puzzle piece.
Great.
What's this? Soft sand. Should we dig and see what's hiding underneath?
Yes.
Wait, did you see that? Something's glowing in the sand. What could it be? Wah! It's our last puzzle piece, the lantern fish. Look how it glows. Yay! It fits perfectly. All the sea animals are complete. Dolphin, crab, lanternfish, turtle, jellyfish, shark, whale, seahorse, and our cute octopus. Bye-bye, sea friends. See you next time for another fun adventure at Zayna's Playhouse.